this princess is going to bundok again to get an ulam. Yes. Kasi nga, lately, puro karne na lang ng baba and chicken ang inuulam namin. That's why I need to eat vegetable and I think this one is my favorite. Kaya, here I go. Nasa bundok na naman ang princess. Yay! Somehow like that. So, yeah, diba? I'm fresh. So, lately na naman ako mag-video kasi I got to get more apa ko like this. To have my ulam and bayans. Bye! Look how scary my way is. Pero, since natakaw ako sa apa ko, I have to go on this way. So, don't get me wrong when I see puro karne talaga ng baba yung inulam namin. Kasi, here in Ifugao, nagkaroon ng maraming occasions. And syempre, matenda ako. That's why, nag-uwi ako ng maraming karne. Haha. Like, well, somehow that's our culture or something we call traditions. Look how I managed to get in here just to find something to ulam. It's too risky, right? And I'm gonna jump over this big stone. And it's too slippery. Look. I'd like to go there, but it's kinda hard kasi ang daming twigs. That's why, later na lang. I gotta go here first. So, kwentuhan time while I am walking. So, look how blessed we are living here sa bundok kasi we don't have to spend money just to have our ulam vegetable like that. Kasi somehow, we just got to go dito sa bundok and ano lang, magwalwal and then find some ulam. Pero syempre, it's very risky since bundok nga eh. But it's more fun. And I like it here. I like climbing it there, hanggang doon. Just to have my very favorite ulam. Oh my god, it's so sleepy. But look, there, I'm gonna go there. It's kinda scary kasi nasa bundok ako, but tatapangan ng loob. Oh my god. Right ko po. I'm gonna put it here first so that I can climb up there. Okay, I'm gonna go first. Look how brave I am to go there, to climb up there, and get together just to get that one piece of atakuba. It's too risky since my, alambre tayo here, and then some twigs, but I wanted to get that one, so, ay nako, Kim. Like, somehow natatawa na lang ako, but I really want to get that, so, parang paano. Dada na lang siguro ako dun mamaya to get that one. Look, this one's so big and I really like this one and this one. So, ganito lang yun. Kinukuha ko lang yun. And even this one. So, lipat ulit tayo. So, like how I said, umaakyat talaga ako just to get the... Oh my god, wait. This one. Ay, ang tapang ko. Look how brave I am. I think madami naman din akong nakuha. So, I got to go home kasi naduduling na din ang mata ko sa kakasilip na ito eh. So somehow, dumidilim na rin so I got to go home. Ay, kakapagod. Aray ko po. Wow, so big puno more. So nag-uulam na din ba kayo ng ganito? If not, then I don't care, bahala kayo. Ang sarap kaya. This is where I live. And dyan po talaga kami nakatira. And look, there's Papa cooking there. Pero syempre hindi siya kita kasi medyo malayuan pa tayo. Wait lang. Ay. Diyan ako na. Diyan. Syempre nasa province tayo. And somehow madaling manok dyan si Papa. Pero hindi ko rin medyo magagalit yun. Puro ko in Texas kasi